Welcome back to Chillin with the Chisholms. We are in quarantine, so we're gonna try this again. All right, y'all know it's a struggle for us with everything we have going on, but we love making the videos. We love the comments. We like showing you guys what we do, even if it's crazy, even if it might not be right, but it works for us. So why not share? Okay, so we went to Walmart the other day and got tons of food because we don't know how long we're gonna be in the house. So I found these Taco Bell seasoning packs, and I have been craving Taco Bell. Okay, I've been watching Taco Bell mukbangs and everything. So I was like, let me grab this taco seasoning. So we're gonna use one of these. I'm going to use 2 of these little ground beef tubes, and it is 1 pound in each. Yesterday I made this with only 1 of these, and to me it wasn't enough meat, so I'm going to do 2. With the sauce packet it says do it with 1 pound, but we eat meat in this house, okay? So we gonna add some more meat. Now they did have the Taco Bell kit, but for the 99 cents, y'all know we got the great value taco shells, okay? So this is kind of like the main ingredients. Of course, I have the shredded lettuce, the cut up tomatoes, sour cream, all that, because I am a supreme taco kind of girl, all right? So let's get into it. I'm excited. Oh, and side note, just a quick update. I am eating on this here, some pineapples and some watermelon. We are doing the Chloe Ting challenge, and we just finished day 10. And woo! It is kind of getting easier, but it's kind of not. So, woo! That's a whole nother thing. So, we didn't really do any before pictures because I just wasn't really trying to show y'all my body like that. So yeah, the after, y'all know how I am. When I'm happy with the after results, I might give y'all a little snippet of that, okay? But we're on day 10, and the one that we're doing is the 2-week shred challenge. So at the end of this, I think I want to go back to my Kiara Lachey snatched video. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Now let's go ahead and get this meat cooking, and I'll talk to you guys some more about what's been going on with us while the meat is cooking. Alright, so I cut the little edge of the meat tube and just squeezed the meat in here, and I covered it to kind of help it cook a little faster. Now I'm just gonna break it up, flip it over, all of that jazz. And this is ground turkey. So ground turkey kind of cooks a little different than ground beef. Lord have mercy. Oh yeah, that's right, ground beef. It's been a long day, y'all. I have taught a class today, and we have jump roped, did 4 Chloe Ting videos, and did 10 songs on Just Dance. So yeah, if I say the wrong thing, please excuse me. All right, so I'm just going to keep cooking this until it's all nice and brown, no pink, and I'm going to cook it until it's no more liquid in the pan. So I want all of the liquid to evaporate. I want it to dry out. Then I will follow the directions on this pack. It tells us to pour in water in the sauce packet. So I'm going to do my 3/4 water in the sauce packet. And then I have to put these, the rest of these, we did 6 yesterday. So today we're doing 6. And I'm just going to put them on this pan here and put them in the oven. We have to have the oven preheated to 350. So the oven is doing that now. All right. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now yesterday when I made this, it didn't take that long for the 1 pack of turkey to dry out, but this one looks like it's gonna take forever. I didn't add any butter or oil or anything to this. I feel like when you're cooking ground beef, it kind of gets more so greasy, and with the turkey it gets watery. So I might actually have to strain it to get all of this liquid off of here. So after I do that, then I'll come back and mix the sauce and everything together. Alright, so I strained some of the water out, or the liquid, whatever it is. And to do it, I just put the lid on it and kind of turned it over the sink to let some of the liquid come out. And I'm just going to keep cooking it. I want it to dry out. Then I'm going to add the water and the sauce. So I'll come back when it's time to add the water and the sauce. Ooh, it's done dried out real nicely, y'all. Now I'm about to add this water in here and this Taco Bell sauce packet.
Yes.
So let's do it.
What's going on, y'all? I'm always hyped for the Taco Bell sauce. Now, if y'all seen that picture with the mild sauce chips and the fire sauce chips, we just not gonna talk about that.
Yes, we got the mild chips and the fire.
Yeah, the fire chips.
And we were supposed to do a review for it, but since we was in the quarantine and everything, Jarel just couldn't stand the chips just sitting there looking at him, I guess. So he decided to just crack it open and taste it. And he said they ain't that good. So if y'all try it, let us know what y'all think.
Yeah, let me know if y'all like the mild sauce or the hot sauce or the fire sauce chips. I mean, it tastes like the sauce, but
I saw them in Walmart the other day.
It just shouldn't be on the chip. It just shouldn't be on the chip.
We should have got more packets of the sauce.
Yeah.
Yesterday we made this with 1 pound of ground beef and 1 sauce packet, and it was enough, but it wasn't enough meat. So today we're doing 2 pounds of ground beef, ground turkey. I keep saying it wrong, Lord have mercy. But with 1 sauce packet, so I'm trying to mix it to make sure that all of the meat gets a little sauce on it. And we have to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So after I get it mixed up, I'm going to put it on low and just let it sit in here and kind of marinate in that sauce a little bit. And then we have to put our crunchy tacos in the oven. So that looks pretty mixed up good. the
Yeah, it
meat.
looks pretty good.
Alright, so now I'm just going to kind of flatten it out. Make sure that it's meat all over the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to put it on low and just let it simmer. Now we have to put our shells in the oven. Alright, so these are our shells, and we have 6 left for today. So I'm just gonna put these on here, and you can put them however you want to put them on the picture. They just have them just laid down. And yes, this is a pizza pan that I just threw some foil on, so I can just throw these in the oven. So I don't want to see y'all in the comments talking about that's a pizza pan. It is, alright. So the oven is preheated to 350. So I'm going to put these in there for 3 to 4 minutes. Alright. Ooh, that smells good. It smells just like taco meat. Oh, yeah,
Oh, it really do.
That's it right there.
Yeah.
Woo-woo. So yeah, it's like it's about done right here. This it. Alright, so the taco meat is ready and our shells are ready. They just got ready, about to pull them on out. Ooh, you can smell the little corn.
The little corn.
Man, these about to be so good. Alright, we about to set these up. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to put meat in all of the tacos. And we are doing the crunchy as well as some soft, okay? So I'm just putting the meat in here. They can't see what we're doing.
Well, put in the comments if y'all like crunchy tacos or soft tacos.
Yes. So I'm just packing the meat in there like that. I'm going to do that for all of the crunchy. And for the soft tacos, I'm going to put some of the meat on the soft tacos like that. Alright? And we'll go on to the next step. Alright, now we have our shredded lettuce. And I'm adding this on top of the meat. And I put my tacos in this little takeout container so that they can kind of stand up. So if you have the little fancy taco holders at home, of course you can use those. But this is just a nice little easy kind of bootleg way to do it. So I'm just, with it standing up, it's kind of easier to put my ingredients inside like that. These gonna be so good, y'all. I can't wait. One more over here. They need some lettuce. And I like a lot of lettuce. Are yours good on lettuce over there? Okay. Alright, next I'm going to add some sour cream to mine. And then we're going to add the tomatoes. So for the tomatoes, we just got a can of diced tomatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see me put these on Jarel's. So y'all can see with the tomatoes standing up, it's a lot easier. Wish I would have did this yesterday. But kind of just thought about it today. Then after this, we're going to throw some cheese on these bad boys.
Yeah.
And we will show y'all what they look like when we are all done.
Ooh. Yes, okay.
Now it's time for some Taco Bell sauce.
Yeah.
Put in the comments whether y'all like hot, mild, fire, what is it?
Diablo
or
Verde.
So go ahead and put that in the comments. We're about to sauce these bad boys up, destroy them, and we're not coming back to tell y'all how they taste because we already know they taste good. We had them yesterday, and we look a mess right now because we in the quarantine, so we're not coming on camera for y'all. So in this video, y'all just gonna get to see us make it, okay? Put in the comments if y'all want to see us do a mukbang. If y'all want to see us eat it and smack and tell y'all how good it is and all that, let us know if y'all want us to start doing those after we cook certain things. All right. So that is the end of this Kicking It in the Kitchen with the Chisholms. Hope y'all enjoyed it and come back for the next one because we're gonna be cooking because we're stuck in the house. All right. So see y'all in the next video. We got to say our little slogan.
Oh. I was like, why you...
It's been a minute, y'all.
Right.
Y'all remember how it go?
Until next time.
We'll be chilling.
Hey.
All right.